Hey y'all, I'm back with yet another video. Today we're gonna make a smoothie. And it's gonna be a twist on the sunshine smoothie that I make. But the twist is going to be that I'm going to add pears to the smoothie. So we're gonna put a banana, some pineapple juice, some mangoes, and some yogurt. And just some little fun facts about the items that I'm going to use. The Greek yogurt helps to lower the risk for type 2 diabetes. Of course, bananas gives you potassium and is rich in nutrients. The mango is low in calories and it boosts your immune system. Pineapple juice is a good source of vitamin C and a good source of magnesium. So now these pears look awful. I just wanted to show y'all that they're going bad, okay? But if you take your knife and you just cut them, they're good under there. Uh-oh, they fell in my yogurt. Okay, they're good under there. So don't throw your fruit out, okay? Just because it's going bad. Just cut the bad part off. Just like that. You still got a pretty good piece of pear, and there's nothing wrong with it, okay? You just cut it just like that. There's no reason to get rid of, I just keep bumping into this thing. There's no reason to get rid of your pear, okay? So I've cut all the bad pieces off. So now I'm going to put them in my little cup here because we're going to blend these puppies on up. We about to drink us some smoothies. You better know it. And just know that when your fruits start to go bad, that's when they're at their sweetest. Okay? So if you have a sweet tooth like Miss Anna, then you're gonna be glad to get that smoothie. Okay? So I'm just gonna take the next pear and I'm just gonna cut the bad part off. I'm just cutting it off. And if you're wondering where I'm throwing it in my sink because I have a garbage disposal. You just thinly cut it off, okay? And we got a whole nother pear here we can juice and drink and get all of those nutrients. Why would we throw it in the trash? Doesn't make sense, does it? Because a lot of people, they look at their fruits and they think, ugh, this is no good. What am I going to do with this? I'm just going to throw it away. No, don't throw it away. Cut the bad stuff off. Just cut it off, okay? And then you take the rest of it and you put it in your blender. You get ready to cut that fruit up and blend it up, and all is well. Yes, yes. Okay, so we got the pears in there. I'm gonna start with a half a banana. Most people peel their bananas from here. This is the wrong way to peel a banana. You're supposed to peel a banana from here, okay? A lot of people don't know that. So I'm just going to peel it. See how easy it peels? I'm going to start off, like I said, with a half of a banana. And I'm just going to break it up and put it in here. Boom. All right. I have a half a cup of Greek yogurt. Um, it's vanilla bean. Now, I was supposed to just get the vanilla, but I get my groceries delivered to me. So I always push substitute. So they gave me vanilla bean yogurt. Well, let me tell you, it don't taste no different than the regular vanilla yogurt. Okay? Same stuff. No difference. Then I'm going to put in the mangoes. The mangoes are frozen. So I'm going to pop those in here. Okie dokie. Then we're going to put our pineapple juice in. And the pineapple juice, that is a cup of pineapple juice. Easy peasy. See? It's in there. All right. And then now we're going to put our top on. Okie dokie. just screw it on. And this is a Hampton Beach blender smoothie mixer, something another. It can mix milkshakes, um, puree, smoothie, ice drinks, pulse, crushed ice, or dice. It works very well. Can y'all see it? Okay, you can. All right, so let's give it a whirl. All right, let's see what we're working with. And the reason why I said to use just a half of a banana versus a whole banana, a banana makes your smoothie very, very thick. So it's always to start with less, and then you can add more, if you would like to. If you would like for your smoothie to be thicker. Okay? Come on, let it go. Sometimes I don't let these go long enough. But this is as thick as I want it. You see? It's already pretty thick. If I would have put that whole banana in there, y'all, you wouldn't have been able to drink that thing. Not through no straw. See how pretty that is? The only thing we did was add those pears that we were about to throw in the trash. Don't throw them away. If you cut right up under the skin of your fruit, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I promise. Let me just get a little taste. Woo. You talking about something that tastes awesome. I'm telling you, awesome. Very, very good. Very good. So now, I'm going to let you good people go on to your day. This is a good smoothie that you can um, have in the mornings. Very easy to make. It didn't even take me 10 minutes to make it, and majority of it was me talking. So, you guys be blessed. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until then, you be blessed. Bye.